Welcome to the shop. Tonight we're going to do an unboxing of the Kreg Precision Beaded Faceframe system. Instruction manual, instruction DVD. We have the setup bar, the fence, very nice. That's the one router bit for the notching bit. This is the beading bit. These are parts for the flip stop. Some various hardware. More instructions for the flip stop. More hardware bags. Nice stock clamp. Extension bar for the operating handle. The operating handle itself. This was packed very well. And this is the main fence mount for the table. So that's the main operating mechanism that mounts to the router table T-slot. There's the clamp again, the extruded aluminum fence, the flip stop, the various hardware bags, the two router bits, and then you have the instruction DVD and instruction manual. The next video will show me assembling it.